today let us discuss the topic formulae. Formulae is plural form of formula. All of you know that area of the rectangle is A is equal to LB. Similarly, area of the square is equal to A square. Now, perimeter of the rectangle, if you take rectangle here, L, B, we are using two terms, L and length and breadth. Which is length and which is breadth? Which is lengthy is length. B is less than L or L is greater than B. Or B is less than L. Less than L. Less, first letter is L, so bend it, so that it becomes less. That is why less than, greater than. Similarly here in square, all sides are equal. That is why there is no length and breadth. We generally call it side. Here also sides, but specifically we call them length and breadth. If you talk of perimeter means you should start with A, B, C, D, then AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. This is perimeter. So it is 2L plus 2B. So if you took 2 common, you will get L plus B. Sum of the length and breadth and double it, that will give you perimeter. Even you are tried small. Fourth one is small p. In this case, all are A plus A plus A plus A, so you will get 4A. These are all formulae regarding the area. Suppose in expansion, A plus B is binomial, but if you put a square, it becomes A plus B bracket square. So the formula is very simple, A square plus AB plus B square. Our Prime Minister Narendra Modi used to say, this 2AB is bonus, because most of the students write simply A square plus B square, but it is A square plus 2AB plus B square. So, like that, even A square minus B square is equal to A plus B into A minus B. These are the formulae. In case of circle also, you can find area of the circle is equal to pi r square, where pi is roughly taken as 22 by 7, but scientifically it is 3.1416. Pi value, pi is taken as 3.1416, but roughly it is taken as 22 by 7. In most of the lower classes we take, but scientifically it is the answer is this. So it is definite. Similarly, in this case, circumference instead of a P, we write C, which is equal to 2 pi r. Here, L, B, A, they are called elements of the, L and B are the elements of the rectangle. A is the element of the square. R is the element of the circle. What is element? Element is part, just like our body, hands, legs, head. They are organs of the body. Likewise, length and breadth, they are all organs of the rectangle. So, and also area. This is called area. The area, you know, is measured in terms of squares. Actually, if you write here like this, each becomes square. There are 6 squares. Here length is 3 centimeters. If its length is 2 centimeters, and B is, this is B, 3, this is 2. So there are 6 squares. Area is 6. So what is the relation between length, breadth and area? 3 into 2 is equal to 6. This is how you can try for many rectangles, mark them length and also breadth on your graph paper, and also count the number of squares. You write all the tables, length, breadth, area, like 3 columns you can make like this, length, breadth and area. In this you can, many examples can be given. Length is 2 or 3, this is 2, this is 6. Likewise, if you go on writing many problems, you will be knowing that the area of the rectangle is nothing but LB. This is how, with the help of experiment or activity, you can determine the area of the rectangle with the formula. This is called formula. Here again, I say this part, left hand side LHS, and this is right hand side. The quantities that are given are taken to the right hand side. If you simplify, you will get the area. So, the quantity that you require is to be written to the left hand side. Suppose here L and in, there are 3 variables here, A, L, B. In A, L, B, if you know, these are 3 elements. If you know 2, you can determine the third one. Like L is equal to A upon B. If you divide the area by the breadth, you will get length. Similarly, B equal to A upon L. In case of square, A square is equal to A. Now A is square root of A. We write square root sign. This is called radical sign or square root sign. Suppose in a square, you say, if A is equal to 5, you say, area is how much? A into A square. Is A into A or 5 square? This is 25. Very simple. Suppose if you want A, here A is equal to square root of 25 is 5 centimeters. Here we write square centimeters. Square centimeter, square meter, square foot, like that. Here they are because they are squares. Areas are measured in terms of squares. How many squares are there? So this is square. Always area is written in the square centimeter, square feet, square meter, and the side is square root of A, square root of 25, which is equal to 5 centimeter. This is how we can make use of formulae wherever we want. There are many formulae in algebra and trigonometry, even chemistry, physics, especially in physics. If I write here, V velocity is equal to U plus AT, where V is the final velocity, U is initial velocity, A is acceleration, T is the time. If you know initial velocity, acceleration, time, you will find that. How many terms actually variables? V, U, A, T, there are 4. Out of 4, if you know 3, you can find the fourth one. This is how formula help us to solve the problems quickly. It is formula is the heart of algebra. So mathematics and physics go together. Without mathematics, physics cannot proceed. Without physics, mathematics cannot proceed. There is a combination between these two. They are helpful to each other. They are most friendly friends. I want to clarify still more. If I write a rectangle figure, and elements, if you take rectangle, what are the elements here? Length, breadth and area. These are elements I call. So elements I have told already, they are the parts. They determine the figure. If you know length and breadth are given, you can definitely write the rectangle that you require. Similarly, in square, A and A, these are the only two elements. In circle, radius and area. Rest of the things can work out. But these are the elements. Actually, see. So, in triangle also, if you take triangle, 3 sides, 3 angles, and area. These are the quantities. That is why we use small letters. Capital letters denote the point, whereas small letters represent the numbers. You must be very careful. But in the case of area, we are making use of capital letter, even though it is a number. Follow? But usually in geometry, capital letters are used to denote the point, and small letters, length of the line segment. Length of the line segment, definite length of the line segment. So this is about formula.